Diet list to lose 4 kilos in 1 week. Let's give some information that the diet recipe that burns 4 kilos of fat in 1 week comes from dietitian Selahattin Dönmez. Dönmez's diet is quite simple. You can even say it is the easiest diet in the world while reading. The first answer to the question of what makes you lose weight the most is to stay away from fats. In Dönmez's suggestion, avoiding solid fats, consuming 4 meals as 3 main meals and 1 snack between lunch and dinner, leaving 4 hours between meals, having breakfast within 1 hour after getting up. Vegetable diet is recommended for the first 3 days. You can eat 1 slice of whole wheat bread, 1 slice of cheese, tomato, cucumber in the morning. At lunch and dinner, you can consume vegetable dishes with salad and yogurt in small portions. You can eat 3 to 4 walnuts, 10 to 15 hazelnuts or 1 fruit as a snack. On the 4th day, a carbohydrate diet is started. 1 egg and parsley are eaten for breakfast. For lunch and dinner, you can enjoy a small portion of pasta with wholemeal tomato sauce. As for your snack, iron is delicious. For the last 3 days, you can consume 1 egg and lemon with turmeric for breakfast, and plenty of white meat salad for lunch and dinner. Fresh fruit is your snack. During the diet, open tea and linden are free. Bon appétit!